Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to disable deep sound in Windows 11. So how to disable it? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all in the search box type a sound settings. Open as sound settings. After doing this step, scroll down and click on a more sound settings. Click on a sounds. After doing this step, scroll down and select a default beep. Now test it. Click on it. Select a none. Click on apply. Click on OK button. After doing this step, close it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.